What's going on, guys? Welcome to this tutorial. Quickly, I want to show you how to achieve the paint on the face effect. So we're going to be putting a paint on the face of this lady right here, and it's going to look like this. All right, so to start with, we're going to open the image. And we are here in the beautiful world of Photoshop. Then we're going to open the splash. We have the splash here. All right, so I'm going to expand it and place it where I want it to be on her face, like so, and mark this. And then in the blending mode, I'm going to select multiply. All right, so we could better place this where we want it to be, and I'll just zoom in to see how things are aligned here. All right, so I'm going to click on the clipping mask of this splash, and then I'll select my brush. Then I clean off the unnecessary areas where the paints are on her face to make it more realistic. So clean it like so. Alright, so I'm also going to remove some of the paints on her eyes. You know, it's not realistic having the paint on her eye. Alright, so this is perfect. Okay, so the next thing, we're going to double click on the splash layer to reveal the layer style. And then we're going to, holding your Alt key, you click on the slider here and expand it to get a better blending. You can see that, to get a perfect blending and whatever works for you. This is just perfect. All right, so guys, this is how to achieve the paint on the face effect. I'll see you in the next one.